So here children, let's see a very important question. What is the question? This is exercise 8.1, question number 4. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So that means you are being given a figure which is a square. And there are two diagonals for this square which you need to prove them as equal. If I consider this square as A, B, C, D, they are intersecting at point O. So this is your figure children. So what is given here? A, B, C, D is a square and AC and BD are diagonals. And what you have to prove children? You need to prove the first part as length of AC is equals to length of BD, and second part they bisect each other at right angles, means the portion at the point of intersection, it should be angle 90 degree. That is angle AOB is equals to angle BOC is equals to angle COD is equals to angle AOD is equals to 90 degree. Even if you prove one angle as 90 degree, that is also sufficient for us to prove the solution. So let us prove the first part of it. What is the first condition? You have to prove the length of diagonals as equal. For that, I am considering the triangle ADB, this portion, and triangle ACB. I hope you have understood children. So let us consider triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Now what are the things that are equal in these two triangles? The first part is AD is equals to BC. In a square all sides are equal. AD is equals to BC. Since it is a square, they are equal. Then you have AB is equals to AB, which is common. And you know, in a square each angle is 90 degree. So therefore angle A is equals to angle B is equals to 90 degree. So therefore by SAS congruence condition, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABC. I hope everybody understood till here children. So we have proven the first part. Then by CPCT, what you can say, their diagonals are equal. Therefore AC is equals to BD. So our first condition is proved children. Yes. Now let us prove the second part of the question. What you have to prove? The angles at the point of intersection of the diagonals are 90, you have to prove. For that, I am considering any two adjacent triangles. You can consider any two adjacent triangles, either AOD or AOB or COD. Any one triangles you can. So I am considering, let us consider triangle AOB and triangle BOC. I am considering children these two portions. These two. Okay. Now in these two, what are the things that are equal? First condition, AB is equals to BC. Why? Since the figure is a square. Second condition, you have OA is equals to OC. Why OA equal to OC, children? Because this square is a parallelogram. We all know that. So hence we can say that in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Therefore OA value will be equal to OC value. So in this I am considering triangle AOB and BOC. We know ABCD is a square which is also a parallelogram. So therefore in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So when diagonals bisect each other, what you can say? OA is equals to OB and OD is equals to OB. Now in considering triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Once again children, triangle AOB and BOC. First one is AB is equals to BC. Second one OA is equals to OC and third one is OB common. So I am writing those. First is AB is equals to BC, equal sides of a square. Second one we have OA is equals to OB and third one is OA equals to OC and third one is OB is equals to OB, which is common. So what condition? By SSS congruence, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. Now once these two triangles are congruent, what can you say about this angle and this angle, children? They both are equal, yes or no? So what can you say? By CPCT, angle AOB is equals to angle BOC. But what is angle AOB plus angle BOC? But angle AOB plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair. And you know these two angles are equal. So in place of BOC also I am writing as AOB only. So 2 times of angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. Hence angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. So what you have to prove? Angle AOB is equals to BOC equals to any one angle. If I prove as 90 degree, that is sufficient. Hence we got angle AOB is 90 degree. Hence it is proved. So understand this question very well, children. It is a very important question. Hope you have understood this.